Let's go. 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 Let's go, boys. Hey, good throw. Good throw. Good catch. Good catch, boy. Good catch. I was just getting started, boy.
Let's go, dog. Let's go.
I was just getting started.
If you sell that properly, you're gonna get him to break on the
Yes, coach. Come on, come on, come on. Good tackle, Matt. Hey, Matt. Hey, good tackle, good tackle. I seen you hit him hard or what? Yeah, I already know. Let's go, boy. You already know. Hey, you ready? Let's get it.
We're gonna go green 6. We're gonna go green 6.
Hey, Gunner. Tell him to do tight hammer. Get on. I should stay up. Hey, if you get some protection and we have a streak, bro, I got you, bro. And sometimes, no, you're fine. That, and then come back. Yeah. Hey, I seen you. Making moves. All right.
Double juice.
Okay. I seen him.
If they start to sit on that out, remember what we talked about
Yes,
during
coach.
the week, how you can turn and make
Yes,
it a
coach.
read?
Yes, coach.
Talk to Gunner
Hey,
about it.
hey,
Talk to Gunner about
I'll
it.
show him. Hey, Gunner. Hey, all we gotta do is score. Come on. Hey, what side you want?
Make sure you move
right
up.
here? On here?
What?
You want me on this side?
You're on Z.
All right. Gunner. Hey, tell him dodge her up. Let's go, boy. Come on now.
That was a great touchdown.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you guys for that.
I think that was Gunner threw it down, and I was like, all right, hey, perfect though, bro. Good stuff, bro. Let's go. Hey, I see that. I was like, all right, bet we had it. Hey, good. Let's go. Good job, defense. Come on, defense. I believe in you. Hey, get him. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, on 20, bro, I got you every single time. Like, go, Thomas. Go, Thomas. Let's go, Thomas. Let's go, boys. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, you people, guys. Hey, good stuff.
And we back in this, baby. Let's go.
We back in business. That's from the other cut. It was way worse though, but it's whatever. I'm not tripping. I can't even feel it right now. So. Let's go, boy. You ready? Let's go, Junior. Let's get it. Oh! Hey, one stop. That's what I said.
Go. Hey. Leo, 100 Leopard Tesla X Vegas.
He went over. Let's go. Ooh, you almost hit me there. He almost hit me with the little flag. Go, hey, go! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
You see him going to the sideline?
Yeah!
I started to die.
Hey, I got it.
Hey,
Hey, family on me, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Take care of your bodies, eat ice, all that stuff.